All right, we're back with our 63 Impala chassis. Getting ready to do the brake conversion on it. Change it from drum in the front over to Wilwood disc brakes. Running all new lines and all that good stuff. Just got our kit in. We got it all laid out here. Got our spindles all cleaned up and ready to go. Rotors and brackets, and got calipers and master cylinder. They're going to send me a different lid because I'd like the lid to say Wilwood on it, and they're going to send that out. They were real nice about it, said no problem at all. So let's change the master cylinder lid. We're getting ready to do our conversion here. First of all, we're going to have to put our brackets on, get those mounted and tightened up, and then we're going to pack our bearings and rotors, get our rotors set on there, and then we'll be able to put our calipers on, attach our hoses, and then we're going to go back and put our hard lines on. Got our brake lines, run them all the way to the back. So that's where we're at right now. Let's get the brakes on there and come back and see where we're at. Okay, we got our brackets installed on a Wilwood caliper kit switchover conversion. Relatively painless to install, wasn't too bad. On both backing plates, both their brackets on. Also got our gearbox on for our steering. So our next step is pack the bearings on the rotors and put the rotors on. After we get the rotors done, put the calipers on. Pretty painless so far. Just finished installing the Wilwood calipers and rotors. Got those all done, got the lines on. Move on to the next step. Brakes actually fit really well. That's pretty painless. The hardest part about those is putting the dust covers on the rotors. Hard to get those to snap in. So, smashing them. Well, it was really pretty easy to put on. Pretty impressed with it so far. And we just had to go through and run all our brake lines. We're replacing the brake lines stainless steel all the way back as soon as we've done the gas lines, and install the boxes of parts on it and get it ready to put our body back on it. Right over there, we'll get it off the rotisserie and get it set on there once we have everything ready to go. Coming along. Little project.